Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Luxurious living beckons from this nicely tucked away beauty, which is located in one of Kingston's finest and well sought after neighborhoods known as Jacksale. This 4 bedroom, 5 bathroom home, with its modern architecture, has a natural flow of light from the sun. It is also spacious and pristine throughout. There are two patios, which offers relaxation, outdoor dining, or just curling up with a glass of wine while shooting the breeze. The ground floor consists of a large guest suite, a living room, dining room, study, powder room, two small patios overlooking the well manicured lawn, and a beautiful gourmet kitchen with oodles of cupboards. The upper floor consists of a large master suite with private balcony and a bathroom with smart features. A staff room is attached, coupled with a very stylish laundry room. This property comes complete with a swimming pool, a barbecue grill, double garage, electronic security system, security cameras, and additional parking. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The rental price for this house is US 6,000 or Jamaican $923.4 thousand per month. To rent this house, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.